Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the shredder plate on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a 1/2-inch wrench and a 1/2-inch socket. Use the 1/2-inch wrench to secure the bolts and the 1/2-inch socket to unthread the nuts, securing the hopper assembly support plate to the impeller housing. Using the 1/2-inch socket, unthread the 6 mounting nuts securing the front of the hopper assembly to the housing. With the nuts unthreaded, tilt the hopper assembly back and lift up to fully detach the assembly from the bolts. If still intact, remove the old shredder plate. To install the new shredder plate, align it on the 6 impeller housing bolts. Reinstall the hopper assembly by aligning the support plate on the 2 upper mounting bolts first. Then rotate the assembly to align it on the impeller housing bolts. Thread and tighten all 8 mounting nuts to secure. We recommend hand threading the nuts first, then using the socket to tighten once all the nuts are in place. The chipper shredder should now be ready for use.